Hey guys, this is Danny Baker here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Wanted to take you through a quick boat that we just got in. Right here is a 2025 Bennington 20S. A nice, simple, but great looking boat. It's got the metallic silver color. It looks great on the water. It's got a 10-foot bimini top, so it gives you plenty of coverage from the sun. Step on back here. We equipped this boat with a Yamaha 94-stroke. This is the VMAX. Actually has a lot of torque out of the hull. It's a great little cruiser for you and the family. Let's take a look up here in the front here. Up here in the bow, you've got the long seating here on the stern side and the shorter seating on this side, but it gives you a lot of room and open space for a cooler or anything like that. It's actually got lighted seats around the bottom here on the bottom, and if you come back here, it comes with a Rockford Fosgate Bluetooth stereo, and we actually put a GPS in this as well. Nice captain's chair, and it does have the L-shaped seating here, so plenty of room for the family. If you'd like more information on this boat, please visit us here at MarineMax in Greenville. Thank you.